Welcome to the Best Western Palace Hotel and Casino. The hotel is located on the main promenade in Douglas on the Isle of Man. The hotel used to be ran by the Hilton Group until November 2010. The Sefton Hotel Group then took it over until November 2011. It then joined the Best Western brand. However, the Sefton Group still have operational control and ownership of the hotel. Here we have one of the two entrances to the hotel, the other entrance being round the back next to the car park. The hotel has the only casino in the whole of the Isle of Man. I think the corridors feel a bit dated and lack a bit of style in my opinion. The rooms themselves, unlike the corridors, are very modern and stylish looking. The rooms still have a Hilton feel to them, particularly with the furnishings in the room. The reading lights above the bed are nice and bright, ideal if you want to read a book before going to sleep at night. I feel the TV is a bit on the small size for the 4-star hotel. Overall, I feel the room is nice, but it is slightly dated in places. Some of the furniture has seen better days. I don't think it has had a refurb since the Hilton days, to be honest. The bathroom is very small and there isn't much space to move around. I chose to stay in a sea view double room. The balcony is a great addition to this room. The only downside is that it is really narrow, and there is also no chair to sit on to enjoy the great views. The balcony offers great views of Douglas Promenade. The Paragon Restaurant is where breakfast and dinner is served. The hotel is a 20-minute walk from Douglas city centre. Overall, I had a pleasant 2-night stay here. I paid £74 per night, which I think is a fair price. This included breakfast. What do you think of the hotel? Have you ever stayed here before? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching my video. Please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my travel adventures. It is totally free to do so. If you would like to support my channel, you can find a link to my donation page down below in the video description.